Hi, and thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be showing you two of my favourite fresh and light dishes for a picnic this summer, perfect for entertaining. So a picnic with me is always somewhere by the beach with friends, family, of course, salt water and good food. My must-have picnic item in my basket is always something sweet, like my mango parfait here. It's a take on the mango wheat bar, which takes you right back to summer. So you have a beautiful coconut cream cheese on the bottom, and then you have a gorgeous coconut crumb, and finished with fresh mango and mint. What's more summer than that? A perfect way to cool down is by having something to drink, like this gorgeous lemon myrtle spritz here, which I made a lemon myrtle syrup, simple syrup. I've used some fresh lemon juice and this Liar's product here, which is a non-alcoholic gin, which is beautiful and you can drink all day. It's gorgeous and refreshing, perfect for those hot picnic days.